dining area in my home. Welcome, welcome. Glad to see you today. So today I took my old coupon binder and I am now turning it into a seed binder. I am a mess. I am so unorganized. Oh my goodness. I found seeds in the garage that were from 2010. I planted them anyway just to see how they grew. And I say I need to wrangle all this in and put it together after my 130, well, about $150 to $60 Baker Creek order. Buying stuff over and over again that I've already had. Here's an example. Okay, so this was this year's Baker Creek order. Don't want to have to buy the same stuff next year because I can't find it. I found these from 2017. And let me show you what big of a mess I am. I have all of these seeds. We had a Native Sun store go out of business a few years ago. And the Native Sun, get your toes in there. The Native Sun went out of business. They had, I caught the sale as I always do. If I hear about it, I'm going just to see what's there. And they had these brand of seeds. Botanical Interest. I heard T-Nog talking about this recently. And these are dated 2019, so that's about when the store went out of business. And I have a bunch of these somewhere mixed in this box. I ate some calamondins from a friend garden, and I'm saving those seeds. But I probably need to maybe give these away or plant them all and then sell the little trees and hope they actually produce fruit. If you want some of these seeds, let me know in the description box. I'll drop them in the mail for you. I have some more over there I just ate from the same friend's garden. I have all of these seeds from, this is most likely from 2020. So these are pretty fresh. And so I have a lot of spinach and squashes and all of that will go perfectly in my new seed binder. So I am like overthinking, can't get organized. I really kind of think I have a form of ADHD and I can't get anything done. So I said today I'm going to do this. I'm going to get it done. And I'm still not through. And I've been at it for a few hours with my overthinking. But I had my son, I broke it down into categories. So I have the table of contents. I had my son do the table of contents, and I may link that in the description box below as a PDF, and you can print it off for free. But I have the categories of flowers and pollinators, herbs and companions. Can you put the mic over here, please? Herbs and companions, tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, brassicas, lettuce, root vegetables, melons, peppers, beans, okra, and corn. So that's page 1, table of contents. Then I have our local standard feed company. I don't know if everybody has a standard feed, but I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. We have a standard feed. They give away free on the counter all the time the seasonal planting guide for my local area, and I'm in Florida. And it has the spacing, how much you get, all of that good stuff. This is good to have in the seed binder. It also gives an almanac. I hadn't gone to see if 2022 is available, but it gives you a little Greer's almanac. So all of this is free at the feed store. And I already had this book, of course, because this used to be my coupon binder. But since we're getting away from processed foods, um, since we're getting away from that, we don't need coupons anymore because that's mostly for processed in the aisle foods. And I got enough washing powder to last the next year and toilet paper and all that kind of stuff. So it's no biggie. Then I did the dividers. I have dividers, which I already had. I just wrote over with the marker and wrote on the back in case I can't see it. Plus I got the table of contents, so I'll be able to get to everything. And then I have the baseball card holders. So with the baseball card holders, you could probably get a pack of 100 of those for like $10. And I kind of tested it visually, but let me see. So this one of the recent free seeds from Baker Creek when you place an order, by the way. Let's see if it'll go in. Okay, so I may have to fold it a little bit different. So fold the bottom and then fold. Make sure you're not mashing seeds, they'll kind of shake them around. And then fold that in half. And that's a good way to keep them closed and not dropping seeds all over the place too. And then you can slide them in the baseball holder. I'm just putting it in here even though this is the wrong spot, but this is an example to show you. See how they're going to fit. And if you do them like that, they fit perfectly. No seed spillage. Hopefully they won't spill. If you want to, it may make the thing a little heavy, but if you want to, you could put paper clips across the tops to kind of secure those a little more. And I have other kinds of seed holders. So now that I'm looking at the kind of seeds I have, like these little ones. And if you save seeds, you can also go ahead and get the little ones. So I have two places I can put these little ones. I have business card holder section, which is a little bit smaller, and I can slide them into the business card holder. And they're already Ziploc baggy, so they'll go there. And then, let me not, because that's not where that goes, but I'm just doing examples here. You can also, like if you actually have a garden, I did a garden plan. So if you do this on a big piece of paper or go online, and I don't know why the cameraman want to mess with something. Mind you, the cameraman is about a 14-year-old son. And he just want to start bothering stuff randomly. So if you see me looking crazy, that's why. I'm very animated in my eyes, so I know. Y'all are probably sitting home like, well, what's wrong with her? So I made a garden plan. I mapped out where I want everything to go. If you do one of those for fall, one of those for winter on a large sheet of paper, or get technical and cute and get it on the computer, then you can also throw those in the sleeve in the front because you know what you like to eat. You pretty much plant the same thing every year. Leave a space for something new, and then put those in one of the whole sheet protectors. Now these come from the Dollar Tree, which I've used the whole pack, but they come from the Dollar Tree around school time. You can upgrade them and get a better version from Walmart or somewhere else, but just for this purpose, you know, it is what it is. So, but I have seeds. I have another case of seeds like this. I have another case of seeds, some more packs over there that I bought from the Dollar Tree this year. So I have a lot to put together, and I will show you the finished product. But another thing, stay tuned. I do want you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell, because coming up, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a lot of giveaways. I'm going to give away a binder already set up, probably not with Jacksonville planting guide. I may even just throw it in just in case you end up winning in Jacksonville. But I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share, and when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll let you know. And I'll be doing some giveaways. If, like I said, if you want to some of the calamondin seeds, just go ahead and send me a comment down below, and I'll send you 2 seeds in the mail in a regular envelope. Hopefully they don't get mashed, but I'll do the best I can. I do thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing in advance, and I want you to have a great garden and a wonderful day.